So Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked a kid, what happened to your bird? The bird that used to tweet. So the kid said it died. This story tells us that Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam actually allowed to have bird as a pet if you take nice care of it. As well as Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam talked about the cats. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, if the cat puts its mouth in your food will not be impure.
You cannot eat it anymore.
You can eat it if you don't find any harm, like if its mouth was pure and not dirty, you
Mm-hmm.
can use the same water, the same food that cat has touched. So Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam showed the leniency towards the cats as well.
Okay.
So you can have them as a pet, you can play with them, you can let them stay and reside in your house. This is okay. But if we talk about the dogs, no matter what kind of dog are they, taller, bigger, smaller, cuter, whatever dog we talk about. Okay, so as far as the dogs concerned, Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam showed a strong dislikeness, and Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not like the dogs. And he told us, he made it clear that we should not have dogs as a pet. Okay?
क्यों?
Yes, because dogs are not good for the human, and you can have them just for the protection because they are a nice watch animal.
जी.
They alarm you when any thief crosses your wall or your window. So you can have them outside of your house, not inside the rooms or inside your house. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us, if we have a dog inside our house, the angel of the blessings will not enter into our house. So this is very
जी.
nice. This is very nice that you have a cat as a pet.
But आपने क्या बोला वो you can't let them inside? How about sometimes? Like in daytime?
When the dogs are inside your house and without the purpose of the protection, the angels of the blessings do not enter into the house. They run away because they dislike the dogs. The dogs are not as pure as the cats and the birds.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So this is congratulations for you that you have a cat, not a dog. MashaAllah.
I actually want to change something about the breeding or nature. Not like the other paragraph that I did. That one I didn't. Now I notice. I just want her to not be like a dog, but if somebody is harming me, her family members, me, her, she gotta protect herself.
Hmm.
Or if she wants to protect us, she could protect us. It's her own decision. It's not Hana's decision. If they're not harming us, then why will she start fighting? If nobody's harming her, why will she start fighting? Cats fight for one reason: to defend themselves, family, or other reason.
Yes, these are the animals. They don't have that much sense. So sometimes they are aggressive without any apparent reason. So we have to tackle and handle the situation. So
Okay.
this was about your pet. So dogs are not allowed in Sharia, in Islam, to have them inside your house, and the cats are allowed to have them inside. Okay, this is the conclusion.